Imagine this. You visit a website, click a button, and suddenly you have full control over it. Sounds crazy, right? Hackers can take over websites in seconds, but so can you. Want to learn how hackers break into web apps and how to stop them? Then welcome to the Ultimate Web App Penetration Testing course. This hack is too powerful. Use at your own risk. Watch till the end. Listen, I wasn't sure if I should even post this. Some people don't want you to know this trick, but since you found this video, you're one of the lucky few. Here's the deal. If you don't learn something new, I'll delete this video forever. But if you do, you must subscribe. Deal? Alright, you've been warned. Let's begin. Web app. Penetration testing is the process of ethically hacking websites to find vulnerabilities before cybercriminals do. If you don't secure your website, someone else will exploit it. Ethical hackers, bug bounty hunters, developers and security professionals, even curious learners like you. Millions lost in website hacks. Every single day, websites are getting hacked. But if you know how web apps work and understand their vulnerabilities, you can prevent these attacks, or even earn money through bug bounty programs. Stay with me till the end because I'll reveal a crazy hack that real hackers use, and how you can use it legally. We'll be using some powerful tools including Kali Linux or Termux for hands-on hacking, Burp Suite to intercept and modify website traffic, Nmap to scan for open ports and weaknesses, SQL Map for hacking into vulnerable databases, GoBuster and Dire Search to find hidden files and directories and more secret tools. Comment below. Which tool are you most excited to learn? We'll start from the basics and go advanced step by step. How to find security flaws in web apps, SQL injection, XSS, CSRF, and OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities. How to gather intel on a target website, how to bypass authentication and exploit APIs, real-world hacking case studies, and bug bounty tips. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills to think like a hacker and protect against one. Doesn't matter if you're a beginner, a developer, or just curious about hacking, this course will turn you into a web app security pro. What's your experience level? Comment below. Beginner, intermediate, or advanced? Alright, you've made it this far. So here's the deal. If you really want to master ethical hacking, you have to take action. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because, in the next video, I'll reveal a mind-blowing attack method that even some hackers don't know about. Click here to watch it now. Let's hack ethically. Like, share, and comment. What's the first thing you want to hack?